March 17, 2025, EBS Easy English, Daily English.
I'm thinking about moving to a house.
Oh. But living in a house is a lot of work, isn't it? You have to take care of the yard and fix things.
True, but apartments are smaller, and you can't do much.
Right, but in an apartment, you don't have to worry about repairs as much.
Expressions to remember. Think about. Move to. A is a lot of work. Take care of. Fix. You can't do much. Don't have to. Worry about. Repairs.
March 18, 2025, EBS Easy English, Daily English. I've been trying to cut back on coffee lately.
I see.
Well, tea is supposed to be healthier, right?
I'm not sure. Tea's nice and all, but it doesn't wake you up like coffee.
Yeah, but coffee makes me feel like I can't sit still. Tea is more calming, I think.
Expressions to remember. I've been trying to. Cut back on. Be supposed to. Healthier. I'm not sure. Be nice and all. Wake up. Make me feel like. Sit still. Calming.
March 19, 2025, EBS Easy English, Daily English.
I've been shopping online a lot. It's really easy.
Yeah, but you can't try things on before you buy them.
That's true.
Sometimes the sizes are totally off.
But in stores, you have to deal with crowds and long lines.
Expressions to remember. Shop online. A lot. Try A on. That's true. Sometimes. A are totally off. Deal with. Crowds. Long lines. March 20, 2025, EBS Easy English, Daily English. I still love going to the cinema, but the tickets are so expensive.
I know. I'd rather stay home and watch in my pajamas.
But you miss the big screen and the popcorn. Cinema popcorn is the best.
That's true, but at home, I can pause the movie and get more snacks.
Expressions to remember. Still. Love ing. Cinema. Expensive. I'd rather. In one's pajamas. You miss A. A is the best. That's true. Pause. Snacks. March 21, 2025, EBS Easy English, Daily English.
I'm considering getting a dog. But I heard they need a lot of attention.
Oh yeah, dogs are like toddlers. They'll want to play fetch, eat your shoes, and such.
Maybe I should stick to goldfish. They just swim and look pretty.
Yeah, but then you're just staring at a fish tank. No cuddles or walks.
Expressions to remember. Consider ing. Get a dog. I heard. Need a lot of attention. Toddlers. Will want to. Play fetch. Stick to. Goldfish. Stare at. Fish tank. Cuddle.